Okay. Last class, I have discussed till number 34 of page 78. All the questions we
Sir,
have
till number
discussed.
15. Sir, number
No,
15.
till 34, last class. I have discussed till number 34, electric bulb, everything I have discussed till here. Today I will be discussing numericals. 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 Numericals part C. Please go through it and check last time's recording you can check. I discussed full till number 34.
Yes, sir. Sir, I checked.
Yeah, we are done
Sir,
till
it's
34,
not
no?
showing.
So we can make our own answers also.
What own answers? But answer has to be correct,
So
no?
from the book, sir. From the book, we can make our own answers from the book.
Yes. We have done already all these questions done. So we are doing numericals now. Numerical number 1. Please see page number 178. Page number 78. Question number 1. I will not dictate the question. Questions is already there in the book. I'll just find the answer. Okay.
Sir, which
A
page
force
number?
of 30 Newton. Number one is written here.
Sir, page number.
Page number 78. Page number 78. A force of 30 newtons. Write on information. F is given 30 newton. Acts on a body and moves it through a distance of 5 meters in the direction of force. That means displacement denoted by F is 5 meters. Calculate the work done by the force. We can write displacement either by S or by D, small d. Any one symbol you can use. We have the formula W is equal to F into S. Force is 30, displacement is 5, the answer is 150 joule. The first answer. Very simple. It is very simple. Only you have to learn the formula by heart. You have to know the formula. Done. Now I'll be doing number 2 now. Question number 2. Number 2. A man lifts a mass of 20 kg to a height of 2.5 meters. Assuming that the force of gravity on 1 kg mass is 10 newton, find the work done by the man. Mass is given right here 20 kg. Height is given 2.5 meters. And force on 1 kg mass is given 10 newton. Therefore, force on right hand F value will come 20 into 10. On 1 kg, the force is 10 newton. So, on 20 kg, the force will be 20 into 10. Right here, 200 newton. You have to find work again, right? Work is equal to F into, instead of displacement H, we can add H out here, H. F value, H is also meter displacement only. F value is putting 200 into 2.5 and get the answer. Find the answer now. Point will go, 10 is coming. Point will remove 1 0. 500 joule. Unit of work is joule. So 500 joule. Please check and ask me if you have any doubt to be clarified. Is it clear or not? Please check and tell me. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are doing question number 3. Number 3. We are doing number 3 now. A body, when acted upon by a force of 10 kgf, moves to a distance 0.5 meter in the direction of force. Find the work done by the force. Take 1 kgf is equal to 10 newton. I'll do like this. Force is given in the question 10 kgf. 10 kgf. We'll change it in newton. because SI unit of force is Newton. Force unit is Newton. Write 10 here as it is, and 1 kgf is how much Newton? 10 Newton. So 10 kgf will be into 10, this much Newton. So write down answer is 100 Newton. 100 Newton. And the displacement is given. Displacement is S or D. You can write. Height is you can write as H. Displacement given in the question is 0.5 meters. 0.5 meters. Find work. You know the formula work F into S. Get this answer. Get the answer. Force is 100. This is 0. Point will remove 0. Joule. Please check and let me know if you have any doubt anywhere. Ask me, voice, or if it is clear, say that also it is clear. Is it clear? Yes.
Finished.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me. Is it clear?
New details.
Yes,
New
Sir.
will also
Okay.
come.
Number 4 now. Question number 4.
Sir,
Two
in
bodies
new
of
test,
same.
numericals will be coming.
Yeah, numericals will also be coming. Entire thing. Two bodies of same masses are placed at height h and 2h. Compare the gravitational potential energy. Compare means we have to find a ratio. Okay. You can actually PE1. What is the formula PE1? mg into the height mgh. Right, PE2. mg height is 2h, right? That's 2h. Therefore, ratio you are finding that PE1 by PE2 is equal to, you have to divide mgh by mg2h. Cancel now. mg will cut. Answer will come 1 by 2. Therefore, we write on the ratio like this 1:2. This answer 1:2. Ratio will come 1:2. Compare means you have to find the ratio. Ratio of two potential energies. Okay? Is it all right? Let me know if you have any difficulty. Potential energy formula we have mgh. mgh. First case the height is h, second case the height is 2h. And then now I'll divide and get it.
पानी पड़ेको
Question number.
उडेको पानी बात बाँके आमा
Question number. Please mute your sound. Question number 5 now. Number 5. Find the gravitational potential energy of 2.5 kg mass kept at a height of 15 meters above the ground. The force of gravity on mass 1 kg is 10 Newton. The force of gravity on 1 kg mass is also known as G, small g. That is acceleration due to gravity. Okay, small g. So let us write the information. Mass is given 2.5 kg. And indirectly they are saying G value is given. Acceleration due to gravity is given 10. Right answer 10 Newton per kg we can write here, or we can write meter per second square, the unit for G. And the height is given 15 meters. H is 15 meters given. And you have to find potential energy. Find the potential energy. Potential energy formula is mgh. Now I'll put the values and find the answer. Let us put mass is 2.5, the value of G is 10, and height is 15. Get the answer now. This point will remove this 0. That means we will have coming only 25 into 15 only coming here. Multiply. Multiply and find answer. 15 5 is 75. Carry 7. 375 Joule.
Sir, 375 Joule.
Yeah, 375. Yes. One of you should make the PDF. No, last time one boy was making. Yes, Raj. No. Yes, Raj there. Yes, Raj there. Yes, Raj is there.
So last time you were stuck, then we can continue.
Okay. Now, this is done. Now we are doing question number 6. Please see question number 6 now. Question number 6 here. Question says the gravitational potential energy stored in a box of weight 150 kgf is 1.5 into 10 to the power of 4 joule. Find the height of the box. 1 kgf is 10 Newton. That is, they have given the value of G as 10 Newton per kg. Okay, let us add the information. Weight of the box. Weight of the box. Weight is given 150 kgf. Okay. Therefore, mass we can. Therefore, aim is coming 150 kg. Only 150 kg mass. They have given the value of G also given 10. The value of G is given 10. 10 Newton per kg we can write here, or meter per second square. You have to find potential energy is also given. P given is 1.5 into 10 to the power of 4 joule. We'll change this, right? 1.5 into 10 to the power of 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. This much joule. You can remove point and 0. The answer will come 15,000 joule. 15,000 joule. You have to find H. H is question mark. Use the formula. Potential energy formula is mgh. Put in the value of potential energy this much. 15,000. Mass given is 150. The value of G is 10. Height is unknown. We have to find height. Let us get the answer. What is the answer? 2020 will cut 10. H value is coming 15,000 divided by 150 into 10. Cancel and all. Answer is coming 10. 10 meter. 10 meter. Answer is coming 10 meter. Please check and let me know whether you understood or not. Is it okay? Say fast.
Sir, first we have to write potential energy is equals to, like in 150 kgf is equals to 1.5 into, sir,
Not
10 to the
potential.
power 4 joule.
Wait. First, weight is given. No, weight of the body is given 150 kgf. In 150 kgf, how much kg
Yes,
is coming?
sir.
Kg value is 150 kg, right? And M value is 150 kg. And
Yes, sir.
the value of G is 10. Potential energy is given 1.5 into 10 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 4 is 4 zeros. Now, point will remove 1 zero. We get 15,000 joule coming. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now we are doing question number 7. Question number 7. Number 7. We are doing question number 7. The potential energy of a body of mass 0.5 kg increases by 100 joules when it is taken to the top of a tower from the ground. If the force of gravity on 1 kg is 10 Newton, what is the height of the tower? Okay, let us write information. Mass given is 0.5 kg. Potential energy value is given, P value is given 100 joule. G value is given here 10 Newton per kg we can write, or meter per second square. Even if the value of G is not given, we take always 10. It is easier to calculate. Actual value is 9.8, but for the sake of convenience, we take it 10. And we have to find height of the flow. The height is unknown. Potential energy is given here. We use potential energy formula mgh. This is a similar type of question. Potential energy value is put 100, mass is 0.5, G value is 10, and height is unknown. Now we are finding it. Continuation 100, point will remove 1 0, get 5h. Therefore, h value is coming 100 divided by 5. 5 is coming down. Answer is 20 meters. Please check and let me know whether you have any difficulty in understanding.
Sir, once
Or
not
is it
finished.
fine? Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can tell me to stop, no problem. Please do interact, huh? Do respond. Tell me, finished?
No, sir, little bit, sir. 10 seconds.
Okay. Tell me if you have finished, then tell me, then I'll continue.
Sir, done.
Sir, finished.
Okay, thank you. Now we are doing question number 8. Look at question number 8. Read it once, then I'll do it here. Question number 8. Body of mass 60 kg is moving with a speed 50 meters per second. Find its kinetic energy. Right? Mass given in the question 60 kg.
Yes, sir. Mass
And
is equal to 60.
speed given, speed means 50 given here, 50 meters
Sir,
per second.
50 per second. Yes, sir.
Yeah, 50 meters per. Find kinetic energy. What is the formula of kinetic energy? You know the formula?
Sir, K is
Kinetic energy
equals to
formula?
half into M into V square.
You can directly write half mv square. Into means multiply. Directly half mv square we can write. Put the value half. Mass is 60. V value is 50. You can write 50 into 50 2 times because of the square. Or if you want, you can show it once 50 whole square. Now cancel and get the answer. This will go 30. 5 5 is 25. 100 is coming here. 25 is 75. 1 2 3 0. This much joule. 75,000 joule. That answer and the book's answer is same. In the book, they have given 7.5 into 10 to the power of 4 joules.
Yes, sir.
Same as this.
So
it
10
is
to the
not necessary
power
to-
4.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It is not
So 10 to
necessary
the power
give the
4
answer.
joule is equals to 10,000.
10,000. Yeah, 1 and 4 zeros. Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you put a point here, not necessary to write the answer in the book's format. Okay. Not necessary. This answer is fine only. Don't puzzle out. There is a chance of mistake. You may make a mistake. This answer is fine. Okay, completed. Now I am doing question number 9. Question number 9. A truck of mass 1000 kg increases its speed from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour. Find the increase in its kinetic energy. Okay, I'll write information. Mass of the truck is given 1000 kg. There are two speeds given. One is 36, another one is 72. First speed I take as V1. is 36 kilometer per hour. V2 is given 72 kilometer per hour. We change into meter per second. Do you know how to change into meter per second from kilometer per hour? How do we change? Do you know? From kilometer per hour into meter
Sir,
per
divide
second.
by 1000.
No, multiply by
Divide or
5 by
multiply,
18.
sir, like this. Yes, sir.
36 into 5 by 18. This will change in meter per second. Huh? You can cancel it. 18, this will go 2. The answer is coming 10. This is coming 10. 10 meter per second. And this will come 20 because 36 is 70 will come 20. This will come 20. 20 meter per second. Double of this. 36 will become 72. 10 will become 20. Double. Find 2 times kinetic energy number 1. KE1. First kinetic energy you will find half mv1 square. Let us get this answer. Half mass is 1000. V1 is given 10. 10 into 10. 2 times I will add because of the square. And I'll cancel and get the answer. Now 2 5 the 50,000 is coming. 50,000 joules. This answer is coming 50,000 joules. Initial kinetic energy. Now I'll find KE2. I'll be rubbing this. And I'll continue.
Sir, 1 second, yes, sir.
Oh, yes. Yes. Kinetic energy number 2 I will find out. Continuation is carried out here. Formula like half mv2 square. Right, half mass is given 1000. V2 is 20, right? 20 into 22 times. Now cancel. 2 and this will go 10 times. Answer is coming 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 5 zeros. Joule. That means 2 lakh joule. 2 lakh joule. Therefore, increase in kinetic energy. The first kinetic energy was 50,000 joule. And the new kinetic energy is 20,000 joule. 2 lakh joule. How much is the increase in the value? Write down therefore increase in kinetic energy is equal to 2 lakh minus 1,50,000 minus 50,000. This was number 9. Number 9 is carried out here. 2 lakhs minus 50,000 we need subtract, also will come 1,50,000. 1,50,000 joule. 1,50,000 joule. This answer is 1,50,000 joule, and in the book they have given 1.5 into 10 to the power of 5 joule. Both of them are same. So you may not give the answer in the book format. This answer is fine. All right. Yeah, tell me. Tell me if you have difficulty. Okay. Now we are doing question number 10. Have you finished entire thing, Azam?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Why no?
Yes, sir, sir.
As of
Somebody
now.
said no.
They should do fast now. Now we are doing question number 10. Question number 10. Yeah, those who cannot do it just now, they will see the recording. Okay. A car is moving with a speed of 15 km per hour, and another identical car is moving with a speed of 30 km per hour. Compare their kinetic energy. So first case had a
Yes,
kinetic
sir.
energy number, compare with some kind ratio, right? Half m v square. First case the value of v is given 15, write down 15 square. Now kinetic energy number 2, half m new velocity is given 30, right? We have 30 square. Divide k, first kinetic energy and the second kinetic energy will divide. When you divide, you write half m into 15 square. Here you write half m into 30 square. Half m will cancel. You get 15 square. That is 15 into 15. 30 square is 30 into 30. Cancel. 15 one time, 15 two times. One time, two times. Answer is coming 1 by 4. Therefore, the answer is coming 1:4. Ratio is coming 1:4. This answer. Ratio is coming 1
Sir,
to 4.
in like that where mass is not given, we have to find the ratio.
Question only says no, find. So question says no, compare their kinetic energy. Compare. Compare means
So, sir,
you have
means we
to
have
find the
to
ratio.
find the ratio. Yes, sir.
Yeah, compare this to find the ratio. Done? Now we are in question number 11.
Yes.
Question number 11.
So
Ready?
about to finish.
Okay. Yes, tell me. Finished?
Sir, finished.
Okay. Now question number 11. A pump raises water by spending 4 into 10 to the power of 5 joule of energy in 10 seconds. Find the power of the pump. We know power formula we got work by the time. You have to find power. Work is same as, work is done by the energy. Work is same as the energy. How much energy is used? 4 into 10 to the power of 5. 4 into 10 to the power of 5. Time is given how much? 10 seconds, right? 10. This 10 will remove 1 0 here, that is 10 to the power of 4. You can write the answer like this, or you can write the answer of 4, 1, 2, 3, 40,000 watts. Unit of power is watt. The answer, 40,000 watts. Or 4 into 10 to the power of 4 watts. In any one of the format, you can leave the answer. Done? Very simple.
Sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Yeah. And now we are doing the last problem. Last problem is a bit tricky. Question number 12. It takes 20 seconds for a girl A to climb up the stairs while girl B takes 15 seconds for the same job. Same job is for doing the same thing. Same work. Compare the work done. Number 1. Compare means ratio, no? Right? W1 by W2 is equal to, they are doing the same work, right? Ratio 1 by 1, 1:1. You can write under bracket, since they are doing same work, they are doing the same work. Same work. When they do the same work, ratio will come 1 by 1, 1:1. Understood? Only the timing is different. No, timing is different. One is taking, girl is taking 20
Work done
seconds
is
time.
same.
Work done is same. Same means ratio will come 1 by 1. Girl A is taking 20 seconds time and girl B is taking 15 seconds. The power will be different because power depends on the time, but not the work. Second case we will do P1 by P2. Ratio power formula, power depends on the time. Here we write P2 by P1, just opposite. Inversely proportional they are. We write P2 by P1. That means I write down the time of the second person first. What is the time taken by the second person? 15 seconds. And time taken by the first person is 20. So I write 20 here. Opposite way I write the ratio. 1 will go with 2, 2 will go with 1. Inversely proportional they are. Huh? Now cancel. 5 3s are 5 4s are. The answer is coming 3 by 4. The ratio is coming 3:4. 3:4 is the answer. Please check and tell me if you have any doubt.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So all the problems are solved. Till
Yes,
here
sir.
is your syllabus. Only one chapter. Only one chapter I will be giving for the unit test. The chapter is
Sir, energy.
Yeah, only energy. Okay.
Yes,
And
Yes, sir.
next
Sir,
day I
if
will be
any
starting-
confusion in question answers, we can ask, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And
Thank you, sir.
whatever, apart from these type of problems, whatever we have done in that class of previously, so they also will be coming. Okay. They also may come in exam, unit test. So please learn well and do well.
So all will be
Okay.
MCQ type questions in unit test.
You may have to upload. You may have to upload the working. Okay, you see, I'm not sure. Okay, you have to see the question. And you may have to upload your answers. Okay, working you have to show. Okay. All right. All right, boys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then. All the best. I think third you are having, no? On third you will have the unit test. Third is Tuesday, so probably this is the
Yes,
last
sir.
class before your unit test. But it is very easy chapter. Only one chapter I am giving energy, and then I think you can easily do. Huh? Okay. Thank you, boys.
Yes, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
Energy
sir.
sir.
Bye,
only comes
sir.
for the unit